Hey, ghosties! Welcome back to our podcast once again, Tiger Terror. I'm your host, Bea, and this is my co-host.
I'm Natalie. Hello.
Hi, welcome back, everyone. So, today we're going to discuss a very seasonal annual topic that every Tomasian knows.
Can you guess? Mahuhulaan nyo kaya? Ano kaya to? Very seasonal.
Ash Wednesday.
Okay. So we're gonna talk about,
Easter! Joke lang.
of course, favorite ng lahat, um, Paskuhan in UST.
Yeah,
We're gonna,
Paskuhan!
yay! I really don't go to Paskuhan a lot.
Uh-huh.
It's not my scene. Ikaw ba?
I've only been to Paskuhan once, and that's because my experience with Paskuhan has been limited dahil sa pandemic.
Ay, oo nga pala, no.
Yeah, so first 3 years in UST. Well, nung third year ko, I was able to go. But I didn't stay long because I also it personally wasn't my scene. At saka hindi ko kilala yung mga bands. But, the fun part is hanging out with friends. This is my personal it's funny, may funny story ako when it came to Pascual. So I was supposed to meet my friends.
Yeah.
Our plan is enjoy Paskuhan, probably chill lang kami somewhere, and then after that mag after party kami somewhere around like a bar nearby.
Yeah.
Just chill. Nakakatawa. On the way, hinatid ako ng lolo ko. Like he was gonna drive me to UST. And then we forgot na yung kotse that we're using, coding siya because it was a Thursday night. So we're like, Shemai, how am I gonna go to UST? Ano, magfa 5 o'clock, ano, 5 o'clock kasi yung hindi ko na pwede di ba?
Oo.
So, nagpark na lang siya sa office niya. And what I did, kasi nasa Mayon lang, it's nearby naman eh. So, nag-jeep na lang ako papuntang UST. The thing is, I was like wearing a dress and stuff like that. Naka-heels pa ako. So parang ang overdressed sa jeep.
Oo. I was worried for this episode kasi it's about Paskuhan stories, like stressful stories. But this is actually turning out good. You had a very stressful Paskuhan.
It is not stressful. I mean, I wish na lang, I should have just remembered na it wasn't really that stressful. I mean, the only problem was like nakalimutan ko lang may coding. When I was for Paskuhan at least, or I mean, sorry, Agape. I think I've only been once. You know what's so funny? In both experiences of Agape and a Pascual, I had shoe problems.
No, skill issue, bro.
Shut up! Ano nangyari? Like, the first time nag-Agape ako, I got these like loafers that, these leather loafers for school, and I wanted to use them. So, I didn't break into them, so they kept on chafing sa ankle ko.
Mm.
So it was kind of like bleeding through my
Eh,
socks.
ganun bago lang kasi, di ba?
And the thing is, they're actually big on me, so I don't know where this chafing came from.
Because you're walking and it keeps, rubbing that.
Yeah. The second time,
My ankles
naka-heels,
are bad.
naka-heels ako sa Paskuhan.
Why did you wear heels? You're in a
It was,
field.
it was short heels. I was fine. It's just that kapag short heels, hindi naman masakit habang naglalakad eh. Pero when I was walking, like,
You won't
on the
move.
field, nagsasink yung paa ko.
Yeah, that's the point. It's a field. You're in grass. It's dirt.
Hindi bagay sa outfit ko yung mga ibang shoes. Hindi bagay.
I did not think this one through at all.
And speaking of, because of that, let us discuss about Paskuhan stories about from other people.
Okay, so para in team naman sa podcast natin, I actually found this one sa Reddit R. Tomasino. Paskuhan 20, sabi kung ano daw mga horror experiences around UST.
Sadly
Pas-
enough, we cannot find other stories. A disclaimer, this is the only thing we could find
Actually,
because
this single thing. It's just
Yeah,
this.
we've been searching like we've been searching through all the social media groups. So to the to help us, kung ever, please in the comment section if you have any specific experiences during Paskuhan or Agape,
Give
we
us
would
some.
love we would love to know your
You
experiences.
would
So
share your
please
experience.
comment down below.
So,
Okay.
Paskuhan 2019 pa daw to. Main building. My friends and I just went to the CR and we could have sworn may narinig kaming umiiyak. Huh. Baka naman nagbe-breakdown lang kasi
Baka may na-ghost habang Paskuhan.
and then all of a sudden, bam! May nagsara ng stall door kahit walang tao. We couldn't even enjoy the fireworks afterwards. Kung ako, magsi-CR sa main building, tapos gabi, no thanks.
I don't care. I like CR, look, business is business, you know? No offense. Kung multo ka na sa CR, I assume ikaw rin you're taking a dump. I don't know. Baka yung mga ghost na rin. We don't know.
Umiiyak kasi hindi makaiyak dahil tao.
Hindi diarrhea.
Can't let it out. There's people in here.
Yeah, you don't know. That's their business.
Yeah, okay, fine.
I don't wanna sound like I'm
I
doubting
don't want
this
to
person
invalidate
experience.
the feelings of the ghost as well.
Oo nga, ini-invalidate nyo. What if siya rin kailangan uwi?
I'm sorry. Didn't think that through.
I'm so sorry, original poster. I mean,
Sorry.
syempre nakakatakot yan. We hope that you guys are okay.
Did it ever occur to you though na baka may sira lang yung door? Pero kasi nag-slam daw talaga yung door eh. Ikaw ba, if you were in that situation, what would you do?
Sino yan?
Go to the door. Oh my God, you'd be the first to die in horror movies.
Sino yan? Who are you? What are you doing?
It's actually pretty scary though, if you think about it.
Yeah, it's the main building. It's the most haunted out of all of the buildings. But speaking, what would you do in that situation? I think it's good to point out safety protocols in terms of attending Paskuhan. It's a big event. It's a concert na maraming tao, thousands of people around UST. You don't know what could happen. So, so Miss Natalie, I feel like I'm just going to refer to you that because it has a nice ring to it. What would you suggest or advise to keeping safe in Paskuhan?
I didn't find any content about this.
No, your personal opinion. What would you do in a situation?
Kasi umaabot siya ng gabi, di ba?
Yeah.
It usually happens at night. And then, of course, around Espanya, Noval, it's really not that, ewan ko, pero kasi di ba ang dami reports din na may mga nandidukot doon, ng hold up, di kaya naman alam ko meron pa nga yung time, may bigla-bigla nananaksak which is so scary for me.
Yeah, which is technically big issue, especially for the students who are there. And we encourage in Tiger Terror, of course, we encourage, it's a podcast for the students. We encourage, of course, safe practices, safety of the students. So, when kasi this is at night, don't go out alone, of course.
Of course, with your friends, as much as you can, stay together.
Stay together, yes.
Be alert sa surroundings nyo. Kasi I'm sure alam din ng mga, ayoko namang mga pero syempre yung mga may mga masasamang balak, alam din nila na madaming tao during Paskuhan, madami silang pwede ma-victim.
Yeah.
So, be alert, be aware of your surroundings, and if you can, carry something with you na might be able to defend you. Dami ng mga kayo na, yung parang pwedeng pang self-defense.
Umbrella. No! Stop. No, genuinely.
Okay.
Genuinely speaking, yun
yung umbrella.
Yung portable, kasi when you extend it,
okay. You're gonna break the umbrella though.
So, I'd rather have a broken umbrella than a broken nose, di ba?
Okay, fair. I thought you were gonna go Mary Poppins with like long umbrella thing.
Hold up ka. Bye, kuya.
No, smack them with that. Kasi mukha din siya espada eh.
Personally, um, for self-defense or sort of safe overall safety, be careful of what you eat or what you drink because you're still in a public place with a lot of people. So just be
Not
careful that
safe.
at least that, but you have to just make sure that you know and keep eyes on your belongings and your food.
Tapos,
No.
dun sa mga bumabiyahe pa uwi, if you
Yeah.
keep, kasi daw mahirap makauwi after Paskuhan since madami.
Always keep your phone charged.
Always keep your phone charged, yeah, of course. And then, kung ayun nga, kung babiyahe ka pa makauwi, baka pwede ka makitulog sa dorm ng friend mo or pwede ka
Yes.
na lang.
Sa mga magmamaneho papuntang Paskuhan,
Oo.
don't drink.
Please, do not be,
Do not drink. And also personal experience, wag mong kalimutan ang coding nyo.
right?
Okay. I think we've covered everything. So, um, in summary, to those who are going to Paskuhan,
Please
enjoy
stay
kayo.
safe.
Don't let our own experience, yung share namin ni
Masaya pa rin
host
naman
Nat.
yung Paskuhan.
Yeah, masaya siya with your friends. Make
Yeah.
sure to, and if you are a fan of the bands that sooner, punta kayo. Like it's worth the experience. Like kung tamasyan ka, and it's just of course everything boils down to preference. If you're, at least just like experience it once, para to have
Oo,
that
lalo
to
na
have that division
kung
experience.
freshie ka pa lang, tapos di mo alam kung pupunta ka pa. Girl, 4 years ka sa UST, pumunta ka man lang kahit isang beses.
Yeah, this
Worth
is
it.
coming from us na mag-graduate na. So, take our advice.
Kasi, mami mismo din yun, or parang kapag nakalayas ka na sa UST, isipin mo sana pala kung
Mhm.
may ganung
Yeah,
moment.
it also there's nothing wrong naman with building memories. Pero at the end of the day, stay safe.
Medyo, medyo gahol lang kasi na sumasabay din siya sa finals, di ba?
Yeah, pero I mean, isn't the point of Paskuhan to be as like the reward after
Yeah.
finals? Exactly. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for joining us in this episode about Paskuhan. I'm host Bea,
I am Natalie.
and well, this is Tiger Terror.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. Thank you.
Bye bye.
See you next week.